Why do 80% of tech enthusiasts crave superior night photography? Because we all want to capture life's best moments, even in the dark. Xiaomi's new 14T series takes smartphone photography to a whole new level. With its advanced AI technology, you can snap clear, vibrant shots no matter the time of day or night. The 50MP wide-angle camera, co-engineered with Leica and powered by Sony's IMX906 sensor, ensures your nighttime photos are nothing short of spectacular. Say goodbye to blurry dark images and hello to vibrant detailed memories, and it doesn't stop there. The MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor ensures smooth multitasking and stunning generative AI capabilities. Enjoy a crystal-clear visual experience on the 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. Worried about battery life? With a robust 5000 mAh battery and 67W hypercharge, you'll be fully charged in just 45 minutes. Pre-book the Xiaomi 14T series between September 27th and 30th and get a free Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Don't miss out. Experience the future of night photography today.